Hey, go.
It's recording.
Oh, good. So today we're doing a video on the Black Series camper trailer that we have borrowed off my parents. So we've pulled it out. It's been like sitting inside and it's got like wet and stuff and all that. So we've used sugar soap to clean off like the mold and stuff and came up with like a few little stains and stuff, but no mold on it anymore. And yeah, we'll show you around it.
I can't go home. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Anywhere I go, sometimes I believe, sometimes I wish you home. I can fly high, I can't go home. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't
So we've got a good little kitchen bench here. Have a just kitchen sink. Do a couple little things in here. And your water just gets up into over there, what goes into the tank. What's 70 litres underneath the camper trailer. And we got a little drawer set up going. It's got a microwave. It's got just storage in here. And then some more storage in the other box. And you can actually, so when it's raining, you can actually go inside and there's like some wood pieces what you can lift up and access it from inside when it's raining, so it's pretty good.
Otherwise, when it's not set up, you can access it from opening these two with the gas struts.
And that's just the boards I was talking about as well, so. So coming inside, we originally slept 5 people in here, so we had a stretcher over in that corner, a stretcher over here, and a stretcher along the back, and it was easy amount of room to walk through. And then yeah, we had people sleeping up the top as well. There's a bit of stains and stuff on the roof, but like they're nothing too bad. They're pretty bad.
They're pretty bad, yeah.
You have heaps of like windows and stuff what you can roll up and get heaps of airflow through. And then yeah.
Well, it was used for up at Cape York, so that's why there's a lot of corrosion and stuff as well.
Yeah. Yeah, because we went up there for like a couple of months and did Fraser and saw up the tip.
So this is just the after result. The old canvas topper has holes in it, so water seeped in over time and just sat there for the last 5 years, so that's why we've got all this mold and stuff, but we've treated it all with sugar soap and hot water, so all this is just like stains. It's not going to come off, but the mold's dead.
We also have the new
hopefully
cover over here as well, brand spanker, and it has a awning and everything on it as well, but we don't have it at this time. That's the mat what you can walk along on the ground stuff. So yeah. Yeah. So you also have like a, is that even open?
No.
No. Yeah.
Just storage.
Yeah, well it's just storage in here. And there's like batteries and stuff in there as well.
Oh, it has dual battery system.
Yeah, dual battery system.
Dual jerry can holders at the front.
Diesel, what's been in there for like 5 years.
Nice. Max track holders.
holders.
You got some. It's symmetrical on each side, so jerry can holder there, jerry can holder on the opposite side. Same with the gas bottles.
Yeah, and it's got a little tap there. Just have that tap.
Oh yeah.
It's got a little tap there. And then that's where you fill up your water. Yeah, except for 70 litres, so. Yeah, there's fishing rods in there. There's a little storage compartment down there as well for like fishing rods. And yeah, we're just so we're gonna be using it on a couple of trips as well. We're just gonna we've already cleaned it up, but we're taking it down to the car wash and giving her a wash and stuff. We'll get a couple of videos of that as well.
Yeah, washing it all underneath.
Yeah, because she's definitely seen better days.
Hasn't been cleaned probably since Cape York.
Yeah, and that's what the other stuff Dane was saying down there. Yeah, we'll get more videos of it when we're at the car wash. Yeah.
That's it set up.
I don't think the hair rack works too good as well.
Oh well, should be right.
And yeah, that's pretty much it for the camper trailer. We'll show you a couple of videos at the car wash. Yeah.
In my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is where we all came from.
Everything's packed up and we're just doing the final clean now, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. So coming inside, we have the drifter tank. We have a full canvas marine ply. We're doing a video on the Black Series camper trailer. We've pulled it